Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious eggless caramel cake. This cake is so delicious and I have not used cream in it, and yet it looks beautiful and tastes super amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pan take 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook on low flame till caramelized. Be careful not to burn the sugar. Sugar is perfectly caramelized now. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix till dissolved. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. So our caramel syrup is ready. Let's prepare the caramel sauce. Heat half cup of sugar till it's caramelized. Sugar is perfectly caramelized now. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. This butter is at room temperature and mix till it's combined. Then add 1 cup of milk and mix. The milk also should be in room temperature. Stir and cook till it thickens. The color has changed now and our caramel sauce is perfectly creamy. So allow it to cool down. Let's prepare the cake batter. In a bowl take 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk. To that add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix and keep aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes add 1 teaspoon of butterscotch or vanilla essence, half cup of sugar, half cup of softened butter and mix everything well till combined. Microwave it for a few seconds if you find it hard to mix. After it's mixed well, add 1/4 cup of prepared caramel sauce and mix well till combined. After that, place a sieve and add 2 cups of Maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. Now mix everything well till everything is just combined. So our cake batter is ready now. Grease a cake tin with oil. Place butter pepper and brush oil again. Transfer the cake batter into the mold. Tap to remove air bubbles and bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. Allow it to cool down and then run a knife through the edges and flip it on a plate. Our super soft caramel cake is ready. Prick using a toothpick. Now dilute the caramel syrup and soak the cake with it. This ensures our cake is super moist. Then apply a thick layer of the caramel sauce. And decorate with white chocolate chips. This is completely optional, but this looks so beautiful. So our delicious caramel cake is ready now. This is perfect for birthdays or anniversaries, and this is super easy to make and takes the ingredients easily available at home. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.